I just got home from work and I'm saying hi to the guinea pigs. I'm mainly saying hi to Sylvester. He's greeting me. There's Frida too. And I think everyone gets a pea flake. And Gatsby heard that. Hi Gatsby. Really big pea flake for you. Frida. Frida needs a second one. Alright. Frida, Nugget. Wow, I think we have to put that in slow motion to see what happens. Okay, Nugget get a pea flake too. There she is. Oh, Minnie, you look so cute. Everyone else is still waiting in front of the door, just in case I decide to give them another pea flake. This, by the way, is the vegetable section of my fridge. And then above that is the fruit section, kind of, except for the carrot parsley thing that we have there, which we only bought because we needed leek. But that's kind of the fruit and pesto section. But this right here is the guinea pig section. So we have carrots and bell peppers, and behind that is lettuce, and then in here I keep all of the bigger vegetables. So there's cucumber in there and fennel right now. And usually if I buy more bell peppers, I keep them in here as well. And basically the only thing that I keep separate are tomatoes, because I read somewhere that tomatoes make the vegetables that are kind of near it in the fridge go bad. Not entirely sure whether that's true, but I read that somewhere, so now I'm storing the tomatoes somewhere else and not with the rest of the guinea pig vegetables. But yeah, this is what we have at the moment. The guinea pigs are probably going to be really excited for the parsley that we have here, but I have to kind of remove it from all of the stuff. But I thought I could get the guinea pigs some refreshing cucumber because it's getting hotter again, so they're probably going to really appreciate a fresh cucumber. I mean, they're going to appreciate it regardless. I mean, he's just lying there. Minnie, are you hungry? I don't know if your guinea pigs do that as well, but like the water bottle is always completely full when I leave for work, and then no one drinks anything, and then the second someone gets home, they suddenly all start drinking, and then the water bottle is empty and I need to refill it. But they never seem to drink when I'm at work. Seems to be drinking is a social activity, piggies. Gatsby sleeping, and he's also lying down. Quack, quack. Guess I don't have to ask whether they really want cucumber. Alright, Gatsby, Fredy, Minnie, Sylvester, and Nugget. Don't hit Gatsby with a piece of cucumber, Nugget. Minnie looks so cute and tired, but you probably saw that Minnie's a bit cranky today and is chasing Nugget. Kind of see it in the footage that I filmed so far. Gatsby! Unfortunately, Minnie isn't doing that right now, but Gatsby taught her to stretch both feet. So Minnie can do that now as well. She was always too careful to do that, but now that Gatsby has kind of taught everyone in this group to properly relax, to sleep the Gatsby way. And now they're all Cop and Sylvester. I just spooked Sylvester. So now everyone's doing that. So Gatsby, you taught everyone your very relaxed ways. Yeah, that deserves a scratch. Gatsby. I wanted to show you what I taught Gatsby because Gatsby is super intelligent. Right, Gatsby? You're really, really clever. So, you know how Gatsby likes to play with these little chew toys? So now I found out that Gatsby can actually pick this ball up. I just need to get some pea flakes ready because I want to reward her because we have big plans for Gatsby, right, Minnie? Big plans. Okay. Gatsby, are you ready to present your skill to the world? There's the ball. Look, Gatsby. Gatsby can pick it up. Gatsby? Well, she needs to pause for a scratch, obviously. Good job. Oh, you wanna... Good job. Because I want to teach her to throw the ball, actually, so the first step is to teach her to throw it around. Yay! You threw it! There you go. And I need to get a new one because they're ripping that one apart. Yeah, you threw it! Gatsby! Yeah, Gatsby! You're so good at this! Okay, and I'm taking it out again. I don't have any more pea flakes. Gatsby! You're awesome! You are. You're just an awesome pig. Because I want to teach Gatsby because now she's able to pick up the ball and to kind of throw it around a bit. And I actually want to build something for Gatsby and teach her to do something else with the ball. But I think I have to get a new one because this one looks like Gatsby has played with it a lot. Yeah, Gatsby, no, I know you can do it, but I don't want to give you any more pea flakes. And the cool thing is that Gatsby remembers it. I think it just comes to her naturally, kind of. And I think they're all standing on Nugget. Yeah, that's Nugget, you can hear in the background. Frida has decided to sleep instead of joining in on the fun. And Minnie is chasing Nugget. Frida, that's very clever of you to just sleep in the hammock and ignore all of that. I think Gatsby's waiting for another pea flake. I'm going to keep you up to date with how the whole thing is going. I want to teach Gatsby a really, really cool trick. And I hope it's going to work, but we need some more time to practice. Right, Gatsby? But I know that Gatsby can do it. But I think Gatsby's really excited to work with the chew toy. She always has lots of fun. Well, the older guinea pigs have decided to go to sleep. The really young one as well. So only Minnie and Gatsby are running around in a cage. So I'm going to end this vlog here. I hope you enjoyed it. And see you guys next time. Bye!